East Building LLC. We're doing a restoration here. 175-year-old home in East New York, which is in the Stony Brook, New York area. So we did the inside. We're about 18 months in the restoration on the inside, and now we're completing the outside with all new siding, bevel siding, very historical. It's way up there. New windows. New everything, actually. We got the front of the house. Now the siding's really nice. Clear cedar beveled siding, very, very expensive, but it's what they used years ago, so this is a lot of history here. I think even George Washington may have been in this town, maybe stayed here. That's how old this town is, and historical. And this is another side here. Getting up there, almost to the top. And then we have the long siding over there. Looks great. One of the workers. Finish that side and a little piece in the back, and we'll be finished here within the next 2 weeks or so. On to the next job out in East Hampton, New York.